Good morning students. Today we will study about the compound microscope, the different parts of the compound microscope. This is compound microscope. At base, this is the base, horseshoe shaped. Then comes the slide. We will keep one slide here on the stage. This is the slide which we will place on the stage. These are the clips to hold the slide. These are the clips to hold the slide. This is mirror. What is the function of mirror? It is used to reflect the light so that the light can fall on the stage. It is adjusted in such a way that the light should fall on the stage properly. Then this knob, this screw is known as Kerr's adjustment screw. This screw is known as Kerr's adjustment screw, and this is known as the fine adjustment screw. This is the eyepiece and this is the object lens, eye lens, and this is the object lens. This is known as the arm. This part is known as the arm of the microscope. This is the inclination joint, where knob is there, that is the inclination joint. It joins the arm with the base. Mirror, how it works? So, first we will place the slide on the stage. We will place the slide on the stage, fix with the help of the clips. First adjust this under the low power of the microscopes, and these object lenses, one is of high power and one is of low power. So, first adjust the slide under low power of the microscope. What is under the low power of microscope? Adjust with the help of Kerr's adjustment. With this knob we can move this tube up and down. After adjusting under Kerr's adjustment, then use the fine adjustment. Similarly, first focus under low power of microscope and then you can see under the high power of microscope also. Precautions are given, you can read from that. Write this experiment in your practical file. Thank you.